everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making drinks, frozen drinks, some tropical summer delicious slushes with some spirits of course. And I'm going to use coconut rum, I'm going to use ginger kombucha, homemade. As you see, I have kombucha I make always and it's nice to have. This is second fermentation with ginger. Also we need honey, lime juice, real lime, and dragon fruit. About 2 cups. We get 2 cups. Look how pretty color. Some lime juice. Some honey, about 2-3 tablespoons. Oh yes, delicious. It's so yummy. Another one is melon, about 2 cups. Again, one lime. I feel like I'm at the beach. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends and make some cocktails. Bye, see you next time.